Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to show decimal expansions and irrational numbers on number line. So first of all, this question is here 5.723. We have to show this number on number line. So this number line, you already know about this number line. I have drawn it with the help of a scale and I have marked these points 1 centimeter far away. Okay. So now I am writing the numbers on number line. Suppose I am writing over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this you have to take 10 points on your number line when you are showing these decimal expansions on the number line. So now your point is 5 point something. So you need whole number 5 and 6. This number lies between 5 and 6 because it is 5 point something, so it would be here only. So now we are in this portion. Okay, so in the next number line we will write 5 to 6. So from here we are starting from here 5 and we are going up to 6. Okay, so between 5 and 6 how many digits are there, how many numbers are there? Infinitely many numbers are there. So we are writing over here 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 and 5.9 and then 6.0. Okay, so we got these numbers. Now it is 5.7. Okay, so 5.7, so we are over here 5.7 to 5.8. Okay beta, so we are in this portion now. So the next that numbers we are writing over here is 5.71. over here 5.7 only, so here 5.71. okay, so here 5.8. got it? We are starting from 5.7 and we are going up to 5.8. So we are writing 5.71, 5.72, 5.73, 5.74, 5.75, 5.76, 5.77, 5.78, 5.79 and then 5.8. okay, so now again we are in between 5.72. so we are over here 5.72 to 5.73. so in the next line again we will draw that line and we will start writing 5.7 to 5.73. okay, so this would be 5.721, 5.72 as it is, then 1, 5.722, 5.723, 5.724, 5.725, 5.726, 5.727, 5.728, 5.729. okay, so what number now we need? 5.723. so here it is 5.723. so we have located it. got it? So the next number is 2.98 bar up to 3 decimal places. So first of all write we will this number 2 up to the 3 decimal places. So the number would be 2.988. 1, 2, 3. Then after decimal we need 3 places. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So now we have to locate this number on the number line. So I have already written it. So this number is 2 point something. So it lies between 2 and 3. So we are in this portion 2 to 3. So now here we will write 2 and here we will write 3. So this would be 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6. okay, then this is 9. okay, then we are in 2.98. So 2.9. So we are over here 2.9. Okay, so I will write over here 2.9 and I will write over here 3. So I got here 2.9 as it is, then 1, 2.92, 2.93 and 2.99. So 2.98. So we are over here 2.98. So 2.98 is here. So we are in this question. So I'll write 2.908 over here, 2.99 over here. So this number would be 2.981, 2.982, 2.983, 2.984, 2.985, 2.986, 2.987, 2.988, 2.989. Okay, so next is 2.988. 2.988. Where does it exist? Over here. So this is the number. Okay. Okay, students. So now after showing the decimal expansion on number line, now we will show the numbers in the root on number line. How to show the numbers that are in square root and root on number line. So for that we need like this one compass and pencil and one scale. Okay. So first of all we will mark one line of any length. Suppose 4 to 12 I have marked over here. Okay, then you have to make a point. Suppose I have made a point, marked a point over here. Okay, is it visible to you? Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to take 1 centimeter of this length from this point. So I will take up to here. Okay, so means up to 8. So this is 7 to 8. How much? This is 1 centimeter. Okay, so now 1 centimeter over here we will make 90-degree angle on this point. We will make, okay, we will name the points O and A. So on point A, what we will draw? We will draw perpendicular or 90-degree angle. Now how to draw 90-degree angle with this protractor? So first of all you have to make this center line on the point required, and then you have to set these lines, these straight lines 0 and 180 degree on your line. Okay, shown in the, okay, as shown you have to set your protractor and your compass, mark 90-degree point over here and over here. You can also mark here. Okay, so then as you have marked, join these 3 points. Okay, join these 3 points. Okay, I am joining over here. Okay, only this much I am joining. The reason why I am joining this much only, I have to cut only 1 centimeter from it. Okay, 1 centimeter is given on my protractor, so I will cut how much? 1 centimeter. Okay, so I will cut 1 centimeter from here. You can also cut like this. If you don't want to go with your compass, then you can cut like this. Okay, so match it with your original point. What it was? O. So mark this point, join these 2 points. Okay, joined. Now you have to open your compass this much, 1 centimeter, open it, 1 centimeter. Okay, open it as I am showing you. Okay, opened. Then what you have to do, you have to draw an arc of this measure. You can write this point as C. So you have to draw an arc with the radius OC as I am showing you. Okay, So this point marked on this line is root 2. Okay, this is root 2. So again we got OC. Now what we got? OC. So what you have to do, again you have to keep your protractor on this point C. On which point? On C. And again draw perpendicular 90-degree angle. Okay beta? This line should be straight. Okay, so again what we got over here, I'm marking over here. Okay, so now again join this. Root 2 already we have done. Okay, so now we are going for root 3. So again, how much we have to cut? 1 centimeter. This is the rule that we have to cut only 1 centimeter. Okay, so again join this point D with your initial point O. Getting me? So now draw an arc with the radius OD. Open your compass. Opened. So now you have to draw an arc with the radius OD. So this is your root 3. Got it? So in the same manner, when you will draw a perpendicular from this point D, getting me? So then what you will get? Then you will get root 4. Then again drawing the perpendicular and cutting 1 centimeter, drawing an arc of that measure, that radius, you will get root 5 up to so on. Okay, so let's draw one root 4. So put your protractor on point D. Accurate, it should be accurate one. Okay, so now you have to take 2 points over here and over here. Then what you have to do, then what you have to do, you have to join this. And then what you have to do now, you have to deduct 1 centimeter. What you have to do, you have to cut 1 centimeter, and that you have to join with your initial point O. And then you have to measure, you can name it point E. Okay, so you have to measure it, and you have to again draw an arc. Okay, so this is your point root 4. Okay, so again you can draw over here perpendicular on point E. Okay, accurately, and then you have to cut 1 centimeter from it, join it with the initial point O, and again draw an arc. That would be your root 5. Getting me? So you can write the points. You can write the points of construction. First of all, we have drawn OA. If you want, you can write the points of construction. Otherwise, you can just draw it. Okay, we have already shown root 2, root 3, root 4 like these numbers on the number line. So now the matter is how to show 5.2, so decimal expansions, and in root 2. Okay, so now how we will show? I'll show you. First of all, again draw a line. In this you have to draw how much? 5.2. So we will start from here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.2. So this is our point. So the rule is we have to draw 1 centimeter more than the asked point. So the asked point is 5.2. So we will draw 1 centimeter more. Remember, I have marked a point over here. Okay, remember this. So I got my line, these points A, B, and this point, this is the last point, C. Okay, this is 1 centimeter that I have added to this 5.2. So this total length is, you can say that this much length is, it is 5.2. Okay, and this total is, sorry, and this much is from here to here, it is 6.2. Got my point? So now you have to make the half of the total length of the line. So this is 6.2. So the half of 6 is 3 and 2.2. So half would be 0.1. So I got my half point over here, 3.1. Getting me? We have to make the half of this total length. Okay, 6.2. So I have taken the half of 6, 3, and 0.2 half 0.1. Okay, so now I have got this point as O point. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take OA as radius, OA as radius. Okay, be accurate, OA as radius, and draw a semicircle. So what you have to do, you have to draw your semicircle. Okay, getting me? Be accurate and careful. Your compass should be tight. Okay, so you have drawn a semicircle of radius OA. Okay, got my point? So now from B, what you have to do, you have to draw a perpendicular from point B. Take your protractor and from point B you have to draw a perpendicular. Okay, so I have taken this point. Okay, perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, so now from point B, draw a perpendicular. Drawn. So now what you have to do, you have to take this as radius. You can name it point D. So take BD as radius. Be accurate. I'm saying be accurate. Okay, so draw an arc. Got my point? So increase this line, the length of the line, increase your length of the line. So what you get, okay, so this is your root 5.2. Got my point? So you can write the points if you want. You can also join OD. Sorry, you can also join your point OD. Okay, so this is your root 5.2 on the number line.